everyone, so today I'm going to be making a wedding card using my 5x7 tri-fold Showstopper die set, and I'm going to be doubling it up. So you need to cut 2 of the main plates, so this one here, and then you want to cut all of these dies. So you've got your 2 side mats and layers, you've got your big middle mat and layer, and then these are all for the side parts. You won't need to use these dies when you double it up. These are just for the single. So I've already gone ahead and cut everything. I'm going to be using my linen print embossing folder. So I've actually, if I show you what I've got here, in fact, if we fold it first, put that there. So I've got my 2 main ones here. I've already gone over the folds on my scoreboard. I just find it then makes it a bit easier to fold. So you want it so that you've got this kind of C shape section on your left. You want to create a, actually no, because I'm going to do this slightly different. So you want to create a valley fold, then a mountain, and as you pull that one up, these start to come up as well. So just carefully pinch that one, and then all the others become a valley fold. So you'll have 5 valley folds and 5 mountain folds. You can have it this way as well, but I want this to all be built up on the front of the card. So this is going to be on top. So you're going to do the same with this one. So again, I've got that C section on the left. Pull that one up. So I've got a valley and a mountain, and then just pull the rest up. Same way. Give them all a nice burnish. This is a 300 GSM smooth cardstock. So nice and strong. And then flip it over, and I'm just going to go over the back there as well. Okay, flip them back over. So then you want to stick one over the other, left over the right, right over the left. It's up to you. I think I'm going to stick the left over the right. So you just want to run your glue all the way down that side there, a little bit more along that side. There we go. And then just stick that one over the top. So this is going to fold down into a gift bag envelope, like so. So if you fold it down when you're sticking it together, then that way you'll know it's all going to fold down nicely. So then I've cut this gorgeous glitter card in the largest matte layer, which is going to sit perfectly on the top there. And then using that linen embossing folder, I've taken the next layer down and I've embossed that so you get that nice glittery border. And then again, I've done the same with the side pieces. So you've got the matte and layer. I'm going to stick those together, and they will go, and pull this back out now that that glue has started to dry. So that one on top, and then that one around that side, and then again, this one on the other side. So that is everything stuck down, and then I've got all my flowers cut here. So I've used the embossing folder and the build them up flowers, and I've used these 3 here, and I've embossed the largest ones there. Excuse my dog there in the background, that was him just making that noise. But you can see you get this lovely embossed detail on them, really nice detail. So I've used those, and I've got the tiny little die to go in the middle there, which you get in the sets, and that's going to layer up on top of them. So they're going to be like that, something like that, with these sprigs in between. So I've used the leaves from my Funky Florals here, along with the small flower there, which gives you this one. And then from this set, I've used this die, which is the Creative Cuts Florals, and I've used the little sprig there. I'll link it all below what's still available. Yeah, so I'm going to get that all stuck down along with the bride and groom silhouettes here. I'm going to heat emboss those in rose gold, I think. And I'm going to start building up my scene on the front. I'll put it on high speed just so you can see me doing that all, and then I'll show you it at the end. Okay, so here is the finished card, and I've made the gift box as well. These gift box envelopes are over on my Mixed Up Craft channel, so I will link it up here because I made them specifically for the Showstopper cards. It looks really, really nice. On the back, you've got your little finger pull there to open it up. And then inside, I've got a very detailed, over-the-top wedding card. But I think it's a beautiful keepsake. Daughter and son-in-law on the front with the embossed couple. And then on the back, got lots of space for your message with the congratulations there in the middle. So I hope you've enjoyed this card tutorial from me today. Everything that I've used will be linked individually in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. And check out the playlist here for more Showstopper inspiration. See you again soon. Bye.